If you want to check Steam game updates quickly, this video is going to walk you through the easiest way to find patch notes, recent announcements, and update history for any game on Steam. This is super useful if you want to see what changed in a game before you launch it, or if you're trying to follow bug fixes, new content, balance changes, or developer notes. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next simple tech guide. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to the Steam store. You can do this by typing store.steampowered.com into the address bar. Once the page loads, use the search bar to find the game you want to check. You can search for the exact game title, then click the result to open the game store page. Now that you are on the game store page, scroll down a little bit. Steam usually places update information lower on the page, so do not worry if you do not see it immediately. Keep an eye on the right side of the page or near the community section, because that is where Steam often shows the update and news options. Here, look for a button or link that says View Update History. In some cases, you may see News Hub instead. Both of these options are useful because they connect you to the latest developer posts, patch notes, and update announcements for that game. Once you click View Update History or News Hub, Steam will show you a list of recent game updates. This is where you can see what changed, when it changed, and sometimes even why the developer made the update. You may see fixes for crashes, new features, performance improvements, event announcements, seasonal content, or community posts from the developer. If you want more detail, click on any update post that looks interesting. That will open the full patch notes or announcements so you can read everything in one place. This is especially helpful if you are comparing versions, checking whether a bug has been fixed, or just staying up to date with the game's development. One important tip is that not every game organizes updates the same way. Some games will have a very clear View Update History link, while others may rely more on the News Hub section. If you do not see one option right away, just check the other. Steam usually provides at least one way to view recent changes, so to recap, the process is simple. Open the Steam store, search for the game, open its store page, scroll down, click View Update History or News Hub, and then read the update posts you want. That is the fastest way to check Steam game updates without having to dig through menus or search the web. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you want more quick Steam tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.